Rippling IT offers a complete device lifecycle management solution that takes care of your device security, logistics, and retirement all in one system. With Rippling IT, whether you're an enterprise operation, a lean IT team, or a one-man shop, you can action on everything, like purchasing computers and shipping them with zero-touch deployment configurations directly to your users during onboardings. Fully secure and remotely manage those computers during their active use, and even take care of offboardings with remote locks and wipes, device retrievals, certificates of destruction, or remote buybacks. Let's dive straight in and see all of this in action. Just like your incoming employee's journey, this all starts during the hiring process. Rippling offers a full device store where IT admins can save configurations of the devices their organizations use and empower their hiring managers to order the right devices for their incoming staff. The deep inventory available in this store covers both your Apple and Windows computer needs, as well as iPads, peripherals, monitors, and much more. Rippling is an official reseller here, including a top 10 Apple reseller, and purchasing devices from the store automatically assigns them to your Rippling tenant, as well as to the end user who will be using these devices during their time at your org. That's not your only option, though, as Rippling has remote warehousing options in the US, Canada, EU, UK, and Australia, so your excess inventory doesn't clog up your server room or your closet at home, as well as the option to manage any devices you have in self-storage. Once assigned to a user, the ripple effect takes place, and the hiring manager is informed of what software will be deployed on the device. So if you only need Zoom for your sales team and engineering tools for your software development team, they'll have them from day one. Shipping directly to a new hire or office location happens with just a few clicks, and receipt logging and communications to relevant stakeholders, as well as any approvals that are necessary, all take place automatically. The device then arrives to new hires ready to work on day one, encrypted, secured, and with all of your company's specific software configurations and settings. Rippling's employee graph information and the attributes, and even custom attributes, about your users can be used to create configurations, specify deployments, and enforce policies that make your devices function exactly how you need them to. For example, specific in-office Wi-Fi configuration for all users in San Francisco? Done. IT and security departments get OS updates 3 days before the rest of your workforce? No problem. Contractors restricted from using iCloud features? Easy. There are even helpful templates available to guide you towards speedy compliance for things like SOC 2, NIST, and others. During their assignment, device OS and Rippling deployed software stays up to date. And as mentioned before, everything about the configuration of the machine and its use can be controlled leveraging your user data in the Rippling employee graph. You even have the option of easily deploying and licensing industry-leading EDR SentinelOne to your fleet to keep things compliant and visible from all angles. If any problems arise during use, you have access to quick actions like being able to lock, wipe, restart, or send commands and scripts directly to the machine. Inventory information and live data on your machine is always up to date in Rippling, so whether you're generating reports on specific devices or keeping a full computer inventory report available to be shared out to your security team or CISO for audit purposes, you're covered. The nature of this configuration then also allows for device trust, and you can limit access to trusted and secured devices, meaning no one can use their possibly compromised home computers to access or touch company data if you don't want them to. Nothing lasts forever, though, and when someone leaves your organization, Rippling IT handles so much automatically. During an offboarding, at the time you schedule ahead or enact immediately, devices can be locked or wiped, and retrieval boxes automatically sent to collect computers from exiting employees. No more trips to FedEx. When the device returns to a secure Rippling warehouse, it's entered back into inventory with an updated status reflecting its current state. Or you could choose to resell the device, where real-time market resale value is reflected in your device's dashboard, instead of the hassle of trying to work with a reseller, sell multiple devices at once, and get credit back for them. Finally, every sold device receives a certificate of destruction available for compliance records and audit purposes. Rippling Device Lifecycle Management is like your virtual IT admin, automating most of the device lifecycle so you don't have to. See for yourself and try Rippling IT today.